Hi there, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to remove a P-trap without using a pipe wrench. For this, you're going to need a bowl to catch the water out of the P-trap, and I'm going to use a rag to be able to wrap around the nut and actually get some leverage on it to turn it. Take your bowl, place it underneath the P-trap, using your rag, place it in your hand, and grip the P-trap. Now grip the other side, and you're doing this so you don't actually snap the pipe, and just turn it. Loosen up a little bit. Now do the other one. And there you have it. That's how you remove a P-trap without using a pipe wrench. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thanks so much for watching.